What is up, crazy mob? Welcome back to my channel, and as you read by the title, I will be doing another Amazon wig install. I was tired of looking raggedy, y'all, so I needed to find a good wig at a good price, and I ended up tumbling across this wig. It was 28 inches and it was under $200. But I won't lie to y'all, there's two downsides. The knots were big and it didn't come with any goodies, you know, like the cap, the lashes. It didn't come with none of that. I was a little pressed, but you know, it is what it is. I did end up bleaching the knots with blue powder because I didn't have no BW2 extra strength and some 30 volume developer. Jumping right into it, I ended up using a cap that I previously had, colored it with two different foundations. One is from MAC and the other one's from L'Oreal. I also colored the lace on this wig. She had a little bounce. She was bouncing like, look at me, I'm just too geek. I ended up cutting out the middle comb though because I don't use it anyways. So I just cut it out and I ended up putting the hooks on the last loop that was closest to the comb because I wanted my wig to be tight. And not only that, I got a little peanut head, so I didn't want it to look like big in the back how it usually do. Where my girls at who shampoo and condition their wig after they just got in the mail? Because I feel like I don't only do this because I have sensitive skin, but I also have an advantage when it comes down to styling. I don't know, I just feel like it's a must, y'all. Usually I cut my lace into 4 to 5 different pieces because around the ear tabs I feel like it don't lay right when I don't cut it. So I have to always cut it when it comes down to laying the lace.
I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with you and we throw it up. Fall while my niggas throw it up. Every time I took good sense, I might just throw it up. I want that dope for real. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I know little baby, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real.
Y'all, please don't forget to clean the area where y'all lay in the lace with some rubbing alcohol. You don't want the wig to be slipping because you had oil on there previously before laying the wig down. Clean that forehead, please. I did end up using glue this time because I wanted to try Erica J products. So I got her Skin Guard, her watermelon scented glue, and her adhesive remover. I think the products are pretty good. I went in with the Skin Guard first, put it on the area where I would be laying the lace, let that dry, and then I ended up going in with the glue. I did not do a ball cap method because the ball cap doesn't make my wig stay on long. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. If y'all have any tips, please leave them in the comments, but it don't last that long. I probably get at least 3 to 4 days wear and then it end up sliding. So I went in and just put the glue on my forehead and not directly on my hair because I want my edges.
You see in me, gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so close.
Y'all can't sit here and tell me I don't look Puerto Rican. I look Puerto Rican with this hair. Flip. Oh, hold on, honey. Flip, 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 flip. Okay. This hair was too good. I did start prepping the hair by putting some heat protecting spray and using my wax stick so I can get a foundation of where my middle part is going to be. One thing I can say is I salute to every female who have nails and do hair, because I was struggling. This is my first time doing my hair with nails on, and I was going through it low key. I went into cutting the lace with a razor blade. Make sure you're not cutting in a straight line. Make sure it's jagged, zigzag, add a little motion in there. I did start taking out some of the hair so I can get a foundation of where I'm going to lay my edges, and before I sprayed some Wonder Lace, I hit the edges with a hot comb. Since I didn't have no mousse at the time, which is what I usually use to lay my edges, I had to use the Wonder Lace instead. But be mindful that it gets real sticky and it dries real fast. I'm gonna give y'all my quick edge method, which is long to short or short to long, depending on how you cut your edges. But that's usually how I do it. Starting at the top is short, moving down to the bottom is long. I had to speed the video up because doing this side kind of took me longer than usual because, like I said, the Wonder Lace was getting sticky and I couldn't really do it. Like, I didn't really have an advantage, but I made it work, y'all. I made it work. I did end up showing a little hairstyle tutorial. I'm bad at giving instructions, so just please watch the video as I do this hairstyle.
I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Greco. Hit around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. It's when they come to me, they'll play with it. See, on me, yeah, that's something that I stay with. The brothers, they ain't really nothing to play with. Steady chatting when I ran down, she ain't say my hitters gon' bang.
My nails were frustrating me around this point, y'all. You can tell by my face, but I ended up taking the 2 parts I took out and tying them in the bag.
He says she's so sweet, they gon' wanna lick the rapper. Let them taste the then I keep them out right after. These niggas vex cause I curve them when I want. Get his wig pushed back if the nigga tried to fall. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they don't play with it. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
That was it for this little 5-minute quick hairstyle. Now I'm going in with my foundation to make my middle part look a little bit more realistic and match my skin color.
Packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood.
And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I did ended up going in with some Yale products, which was the curl smoothie and the leave-in conditioner, just to give it a little bit of smell good, you know. But I really did love this wig. I love styling it. It was super soft and I love the texture after I wet the hair and it dried up. I also did include a video of how it looked wet, which is coming up right about now. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when I post. And I will see you guys in the next video.
And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on.